Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to use Steam. So first and foremost, you've got your store, your library, your community, and that's going to be your name. So this is basically where you can get feeds on what your friend's doing, friend activity as you see, and that's going to be your profile. So once I'm over here, I can go to my library, I can see my games in my library, and in community, that community is kind of a good feature of Steam. It's like having a Facebook, it's like Facebook but for games, right? In community, you can see people post videos, they recommend stuff, and yeah, it's just sort of a lot of gamers coming together, uploading their own little thing, and people liking it, people not liking it. It's all just about that. And then you've got community market. Now community market is a place where you can buy stuff and sell stuff. As you can see, I'm currently selling two cards over here, a Just Cause 3 trading card and a Counter-Strike card for very cheap, like 0.5 AUD and 0.08 AUD. And as you can see over here, the case, like CSGO cases, people are selling this, people are buying these, and there's a tons of games that does this. As I'm just gonna scroll down just to give you an idea of the amount of games that has this community market. Now, community market is important if you want to buy skins. For example, for CSGO, you play a lot of CSGO and you want to buy skins, you definitely have to come here and you have to spend some money, real life money that is, for this. And if I go to store over here, as you can see in store, it's gonna show me all the featured and recommended games for me. And then there's special offers. For example, here there's a midweek madness, there's up to 90% off. And just small things like this, and that's it. Honestly, that's about it. Steam's not that complicated. Now, you can go home and over here you can see games, software, videos, tools. There's multiple things you can do. You can obviously group them by collection. I'm gonna remove keep software over there since I use wallpaper engine. That's a software. But all your games that you buy is all gonna show up in this. And if you want to see it in a nicer, tile way, then you can always press on this button right here and it's gonna show you your favorites, right? And you can create new collections. This is basically just all your collections and all your games are gonna be here. You can also, you're searching for a game, you don't know you're not sure about the game's name, but you know it was multiplayer, so you can press on that and it's gonna show you all the multiplayer games. So that's about it. You can go to help for Steam support. You can activate products on Steam, for example a game or stuff like that, or you can press on this, add a game, and you can see activate a product on Steam, add a non-Steam game, all that stuff. You can see friends, you can put yourself as invisible, offline or away, the same as in Discord. And view, you can get your library, you can hide games, you can unhide games, your downloads. If I go to downloads here, as you can see, this is my downloads. Not downloading these right now, but yeah, that's about it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.